Paige, the hookah girl, is going to show us how to assemble a hookah pipe. So first, we want to make sure you got your gasket and grommet on here, and then we already added water and ice to the vase, and you place that in there, and you make sure it's snug. It needs to be airtight. So. Next you add the tray. So you add your hose. Make sure that that's tight in there. Then you add your bowl. You want to make sure that the grommet is on there. Create that airtight seal. That's it. That's how you assemble a hookah.